Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and today I'm going to share with you the March Ginger Quilter subscription box. And this comes out every month, and I will post a link below. So let's open it and see what's in here. And you always get a little paper brochure that talks about everything that is in the box. So this month we're stitching our way to the City of Light with patchwork in Paris, inspired by pastel hues, delicate bows, and timeless Parisian charm. This box brings a touch of French elegance to your quilting. Each item is curated to capture the romance and beauty of Paris. Okay, let's see. Let's see what's in here. Keep that this way for right now. There's a pattern, bodacious quilt pattern. Cute. Looks like it'll be very easy to make. This is her newest original pattern. Bodacious. It's good to show off the fabrics you love and play on the theme of bows that are so popular right now. I hope it's a fun one to make. And this is Natalie's pattern. It looks like it makes a throw that's 52 by 58 or a twin that's 62 by 74. Ooh. Oh, this is cute. Oh, they are actual scissors. Look at the scissors. It's like the Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower scissors. No trip to Paris, real or imaginary, is complete without a glimpse of the iconic Eiffel Tower, so I couldn't resist including these Eiffel Tower-shaped embroidery scissors, a nod to the romance and elegance of Paris. This is something I do not have. They're cute. Huh. Croissants. 7 days croissants. Something different. I wanted to include a sweet treat from Paris to round out this box. So this buttery little croissant made the cut. This little indulgence is the perfect companion for a quilting session because the stitching is always better with a delicious snack by your side. Bon appetit. I'll have to try that. They look good. I almost thought it was like a hot dog at first, but it's not. Okay. Oh. Okay. This is a bow claw clip. To match the bows in the quilt pattern and fabric, I've included a bow claw clip just for you. Elegant, yet practical. It's perfect for keeping your hair up while you sew, or simply add a touch of French flair to your day. I don't know. I don't know if that'll work or not. Let's try it. Put it up. How's that look? It does keep it off your face, except for... Okay, let's get to the good stuff. Now we get to the fabric. This is like a tan. Let's see the fabric. Doesn't really say what this is, but it must be, I would say it's 2.5 yards of the backing for the quilt. So it's like a light brown, light tan. And then here are the fabrics. They are strips, not quite 5 inches. 4.5-inch strips of the fabrics, which they are pretty. I bet it'll be neat. This wouldn't be my favorite for the background, but I'll bet it is beautiful to use. So this is Mademoiselle Fabric Bundle by Patty Face Me. So that is everything you need to make this quilt. I'm sure you're going to need your binding and probably your backing. Calls for fat ace. Oh, 9 by 21. So she's giving you 4.5 by the width of the fabric. So you'll be able to cut them apart. So pretty neat. Color photo. So you can, I like that. I do that with my patterns too. As you can see. Here's a closer look at the fabrics. Like I said, these are 4.5-inch strips by the width of the fabric. Pretty. Huh? Very soft colors. Little bows, wands, and flowers. So that is the fabrics. Here's a better look at the pattern and the goodies that were included. And this is the fabric that will go to make the quilt. So this might be fun to make. Let me know what you think of this box, and if you get the Ginger Quilter subscription box. So please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'd love it if you'd leave me a comment. Thank you.